Hello and welcome back to Full Stack Automation with Ruby. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a new feature in Rails 7 called Hotwire and how we can automate that using Cucumber and Selenium. Hotwire is an alternative approach to building modern web applications without using much JavaScript by sending HTML instead of JSON over the wire. So to get started, we want to make sure we're running Rails 7, and we start our Rails server, and if we visit in a browser, localhost 3000, go to /tweets, we'll see this little app here, FSR tweets, and I'm just going to put in first manual tweet. And we see that immediately on the page using Hotwire and TurboStream. So everything looks good. I started a new shell here, tweeter feature. Verify tweet renders with Hotwire. So first thing we're going to want to do is do a given I am on the tweets page. So to look at that real quick, basically just get the @driver instance variable and get our localhost /tweets. And if we look in our Cucumber hooks, any file that falls under web directory is going to get the web configuration for full stack automation. And we're just going to move the browser over here to the right a little bit so it gets out of the way. But I'll have this iOS browser running so we can see real time when tweets are showing up. And we also have slow feature. We can sleep a couple seconds if we an environment variable, slow it down to see what's happening, and also be using the edit so we can hold the browser open and take a look at the page. So we'll open a new terminal here, give this a run. We are running default headless, so let me bring up a browser, the environment variable. Cool, it looks like that's working. It's getting to the tweets page. Next, we're going to want to submit a tweet. I'll just call it automated tweet. And if we go in there, basically just grabbing the tweet body and sending the keys we pass in and submitting the form. Let's have a look at that. I'm going to do edit equals true. So there's our first automated tweet and our automated tweet and our first manual tweet. Cool. And if we exit out of that, that should also be in our iOS browser. Using Hotwire, pretty neat. Submit our tweet. We're gonna then want to assert. I should see right here the automated tweet. Right. Add that, take out the not. Yeah, if we pass in not, it's going to wait with an explicit wait to make sure that doesn't show up on the page. But we're going to hit down here and verify that the text is included in the page we pass in. Let's try that. So it looks like it passed. It found the automated tweet. All right, we'll exit out of that. I want to do some cleanup because we're doing atomic tests and we don't want these stale automated tweets hanging around. So I'm going to do a when I destroy. We'll pass in this same tweet title. It's going to use HTTP party and capture all the tweets, so we'll have 3 here, and then it's just going to print out the tweet body for each of them and the ID, and if the body matches the string that we pass in, which is the automated tweet, it's going to do a delete on it with HTTP party at the send point, and also render out in the console the delete endpoint so we can see that and see the ID and the URL and everything all together. Finally, it'll do an assertion to make sure we get a 204 on the delete. Instead of edit, I'm going to run this slow-mo. Let's have a look. So it adds the tweet. And it looks like it found the first manual tweet, 100. It didn't delete it because it didn't match here. We did see the automated tweet got a delete 101, 102, 103, and of course in our browser we still only see the first manual tweet. Pretty cool. Of course, we can run all this in headless quickly and see all the action over here. That's Cucumber Selenium against Hotwire. Thanks for watching.